yeah, is wearing. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I don't know how to call this one, daily vlog or come with me in a wedding. I'm dressed up for the wedding and the sun is all, I don't know which direction to go. But yeah, I'm all dressed and later on I'm gonna like try to film a little bit more so I can show you guys my dress. So we are ready, we both ready for the wedding. John is wearing pants and he said he doesn't like wearing pants.
Don't like wearing pants.
So what do you want to wear?
Shorts.
Shorts.
Slippers.
Okay.
All year round.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Peace out.
E me conte uma história bonita.
It is Sunday. I just took a shower. It is humid outside, like extremely hot. We have a heat warning. We need to drink a lot of water, a lot of cold liquid. And tomorrow back to work. So I'm planning to do a barbecue fish, like the whole fish in the barbecue. I'm gonna marinate. I'm gonna make actually like a little paste to marinate the fish, and then I'm gonna show you later how I am going to actually John is going to barbecue that. But when it's time to marinate the fish, I'm gonna show you that. But that is going to be only for tonight dinner, and I'm gonna bake some fries to go with it as well. So but for tomorrow lunch for us, I think I was just thinking to do like something easy, that quick, that can be like a big batch. So if you do have guests as well, you can do this recipe. It comes like a lot. So I'm using broccoli. If you don't want to use broccoli, you can substitute the broccoli with cauliflower, spinach, any like vegetables that can go with the pasta that is in season wherever you are. So I'm making broccoli chicken pasta. That's gonna be for tomorrow lunch, but I'm gonna take you along with me on the recipe. So I'm using this pasta right here. It's a 500 gram each box. I'm using 2 boxes, so that's gonna feed a lot of like maybe like 8 to 10. So I'm gonna start cutting my broccoli. So we went to the farm yesterday to pick up some produce, and I got, look how huge is broccoli. So I picked up broccoli. I picked up those green bean, like French bean and eggplant. So I'm just gonna go wash this broccoli. Prep is done, and now I have the water boiling for the pasta. I'm gonna go boil the pasta first because I don't want to clean up 2 dishes. I want to boil the pasta first and then drain the pasta and use the same big pot to make the rest of the step of this pasta. pasta has been cooked like 99%, and I'm gonna go drain 1/4 cup of butter and like 2 tablespoons. Butter is melted. I'm gonna add the garlic and the chili. Then I'm gonna add the onion. Just gonna cook just until it's translucent. Oh, it's slightly like brown color is okay too. I'm gonna add the chicken mix. I'm gonna let this cook for like 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken catch little color. So now that is looking good. Now I'm gonna add the broccoli florets. Start to season with salt and pepper. If you guys notice, I forgot to add salt in my chicken, so I'm gonna add a little extra over here. I need more salt. Don't get me wrong, I don't eat too much salt, but this may look like a lot, but it's not. So now, when I cook the chicken, I did put the heat a little high, like medium high, and now when I add the broccoli, I'm gonna reduce the heat so that the broccoli can cook down. Okay, but now that I saved some of the pasta water, I'm gonna add half of it now. And give it a stir, and we're gonna let the broccoli cook down. The broccoli is cooking through. I'm gonna add lemon juice. I always keep a can of pasta sauce in my pantry. I'm gonna add the whole jar, and now I'm gonna add the rest of the pasta water as well, and then I'm gonna cook until this sauce become halfway thick. Then I'm gonna add the pasta. Now I'm gonna add the pasta. So now I'm gonna give this a good stir, and my lunch is almost ready, and that was so easy. And to thicken up the pasta, I'm gonna add, this is 35% cream. This is what we call whipping cream or heavy cream, and I'm just gonna drizzle this on top. I'm gonna add about half cup, and this is optional. If you guys trying this pasta, if you don't want it to be rich like that, then you can just avoid this creamy texture, but I like my pasta to be this kind of creamy, and I think that I am going to add a little more. You can play around with flavor in this dish, like add half cup to 1 cup. Still good, still tasty, even more tasty, more richer. So then a little portion will be enough, and our pasta is ready. My lunch is ready for tomorrow. And so I'm gonna start making the paste, the marination for the fish. I actually have 2 big salmon, so I'm just gonna eyeballing. I'm gonna use mustard. So this is yellow mustard, and I'm gonna use that, but you can use whatever mustard you have on hand. So I have 2 fish, and I'm gonna do 8 tablespoons. So it's a big fish. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons in each. And then I'm gonna add salt, black pepper, and then cayenne pepper for a little mild spice. And then I'm gonna add olive oil. I'm gonna add lemon juice, and that's gonna be a very nice marination for the fish. Okay, so Joanna has just barbecued the fish. So we just removed it. And it is so hot, can't even open it. So I have to let it be a little bit before I open it.